Hey guys, so today we're going to focus on the lettering. Now before I talk about the lettering, I just want to mention that there is that extra page between our last assignment and the lettering page on the principles of design. Now these things are really important for art, and this is just a reference page for you guys. So you don't have to do anything with this right now. Again, this is just going to be a reference for you. We are going to talk about these different things throughout the next quarter, but I just wanted to point it out. You don't have to do anything with this page right now, but it's important to know. So like I said, today we're going to focus on lettering. Now you'll notice that I have a page like this, and it says, drawing letters in your art can add a lot of detail. There are many ways to draw letters to add more interest to your art. So if you look below, I have all sorts of different types of fonts on here. I'm also going to post a website on our Google Classroom of different fonts you can use, but you are going to use a separate sheet of paper, again a separate sheet of paper, and you are going to write a word in a different type of font. So you're not using your normal handwriting, but you're going to use a different type of font, and you're going to create a composition using that font. So you're going to choose one word, or it can be more words if you want. I chose the word love, and you're going to try your best to write that different font. I made a paintbrush. If you want to add an image to your drawing or painting, you're more than welcome to. And then you're going to take a picture of that and upload it to our Google Slideshow. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or to ask on Google Classroom. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with.